TECNO users often want to protect important messages from loss due to damage, theft, or reset. In this video, we'll show 3 easy ways to back up your text messages quickly and safely. Way 1. Back up text messages on TECNO via MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android lets TECNO users quickly back up, manage, and restore SMS and other data on Windows or Mac. Learn how to back up text messages on TECNO with MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Download and install Android Backup and Restore on your computer. Launch the program, then connect your TECNO phone via a USB cable. Once the connection is established, the main interface will appear. Step 2. From the main interface, click Backup to open the data type selection window. Tick Messages as the item to back up. If you wish to change the default save path, click Browse and choose your preferred location. Step 3. Press Backup to start transferring your TECNO text messages to the computer for safekeeping. Way 2. Back up TECNO text messages via HiOS Backup and Restore. Open HiOS Backup, New Backup, choose Location. Select Messages, Start Backup, Wait, Verify Backup. Optional, Copy to PC or Cloud. Way 3. Backup SMS on TECNO with SMS Backup and Restore. Install SMS Backup and Restore. Grant permissions, set up backup. Select messages, choose Storage, Cloud or Phone Backup. Now wait for completion.